Are you on a quest for stronger, healthier muscles and a culinary journey that combines fitness with flavor? Cooking with lean proteins for muscle health is your gateway to a world of delectable dishes that not only tantalize your taste buds but also nourish your body with lean, muscle-boosting proteins. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll dive deep into the universe of lean proteins, unveiling their secrets and exploring how they play a pivotal role in muscle health. 1. The muscle mystery. In the opening paragraph, introduce the mystery of muscle health and the crucial role of lean proteins in unlocking its secrets. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that these proteins are the key to achieving stronger, more resilient muscles. 2. Understanding lean proteins. Begin by explaining what lean proteins are and why they are essential for muscle health. Discuss their lower fat content and high protein density, making them ideal for those aiming to build or maintain muscle. 3. Lean protein sources. Delve into the diverse sources of lean proteins, from poultry and fish to plant-based options like tofu and legumes. Emphasize the importance of variety in protein sources to ensure a balanced diet. 4. Muscle building power. Discuss how lean proteins are essential for muscle building and repair. Explain the role of amino acids, the building blocks of protein, in the growth and maintenance of muscle tissue. 5. Optimal cooking techniques. Explore optimal cooking techniques for lean proteins. Share methods like grilling, baking, and stir-frying that allow proteins to shine without excessive added fats. 6. Balancing nutrients. Emphasize the need to balance protein intake with carbohydrates and healthy fats to support muscle health. Discuss the importance of a well-rounded diet in achieving fitness goals. 7. Meal planning and portion control. Show how meal planning and portion control can play a significant role in incorporating lean proteins into daily meals. Offer tips on preparing balanced and satisfying dishes. 8. The long-term muscle journey. Conclude with the idea that cooking with lean proteins isn't just a short-term endeavor, it's a lifelong commitment to muscle health. Encourage readers to embrace these proteins as a long-term strategy for maintaining strong, resilient muscles. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the pivotal role of lean proteins in muscle health but will also be motivated to incorporate them into their diets for stronger, healthier muscles. Cooking with lean proteins for muscle health is a journey of culinary mastery and fitness, where every dish becomes a step toward a more robust and muscular you. So, let's embark on this journey to discover the secrets of muscle health through the art of cooking with lean proteins. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.